But I have only decided to reply Eniola Badmus, and that is the comment that Eniola dropped on my on one of my videos, and with a lot of likes and likes and ignorant people like herself. And why have I decided to do this? Eniola Kubama Jewo. And why? Because you, Eniola, used to be an image of ridicule and self. You used to be an
ẹ̀yin tèmi ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn Ọpẹ́yẹmí Ayéọlá àti Eniola Badmus bí Eniola Badmus lọ kọ́mẹ̀ntì wípé Ọpẹ́, where is your front here? Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ká Ọpẹ́yẹmí Ayéọlá lára, ó ti wá fèsì sí ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó sọ.
Image of ridicule and body shaming on social media. To now think that you, Eniola, who have experienced the hurt, the pain of body shaming, could come under my video. You have never helped in promoting anything that has to do with me. You rarely drop comments on my videos. You rarely even like my videos. You rarely even interact with anything that has to do with me. And I'm not offended by it, because I really do say to a lot of my other colleagues and a lot of people. But for you, Eniola Badmus, to come under my post and drop this comment, erokoniel, a lie. Mumotele, genuinely, I know, I am not ignorant of the fact that, there are so many evil people out there, but not somebody of your caliber, especially somebody who have experienced the hurt and the pain of being body shamed. What exactly is funny? What exactly is that statement for? What? You are funny. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Eniola, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. You see yourself in the mirror and all you see is beauty. You think a human being's physical appearance is what beauty is all about? You are ignorant. The only thing you have expressed is your ignorance. And not only have you expressed your ignorance, Eniola Badmus, you have also expressed yourself, exactly who you are and what you stand for. And I pity the people who have you around as their friend. Because ime ati onija, ime ati odankopori. You don't know whether I exist. I don't even know whether you exist. You've never celebrated me. I've never celebrated you. For you to come under my post, drop this comment, you have only shown the entire world what you are made of. The true you, your real self. And for that, I pity you. Along. You don't know what true love is all about. That's the only thing I can say. You don't know what genuine love is all about. That is why people like you, Eniola Badmus, especially people who have experienced something. Okay, God has answered your prayer. You've done surgery. You've looked in the mirror. You feel you look beautiful. And the only validation you can give yourself is coming under my post to drop this. Public figure. Somebody who should be fighting for the youth. Somebody who has been placed in a political, who the government has trusted to place you in a political position. Somebody who youth have trust to follow you. Anyway, I know what Nigerians stand for. But I want to seize the opportunity to appreciate beautiful souls and beautiful people. Beautiful souls and beautiful people. I will classify Eniola Badmus, apart from being an animal, and apart from being ignorant, I will also classify you as a zombie. And who do I consider a zombie? Zombies are oku, bi alaye, abi alaye, bi oku. Pick any of the above. Without conscience, without a heart. Zombie one, a conscience one, a heart. Kò sẹ́ni tí wọ́n lè jẹ, kò sẹ́ni tí wọ́n lè kọjú ìjà kọ. Ó ṣe wọ́n, you don't have to. Wọ́n kò kọjú ìjà kọ ẹ ṣáá ni, they just grab you. You are a zombie. And once again, I pity wonderful people who think you are a human being and have surrounded you for whatever reason. Eniola. Àbí kì í ṣe Eniola wúlé bàdù. It is well. Wàá jèrè iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ o. Eniola. Wàá jèrè iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ, inshallah. Mi ní kí téèyàn kan má darí. Mi rí téèyàn ro orí láti jọ́ tí mo ti mu àbí tí mo ti wọ ní industry àdàbí. Mi ní kí téèyàn kan má darí, mi gbọ́ téèyàn ro orí. Rí téèyàn kan ro orí. Mi ro bí ròyàn. Mi fèèyàn kan ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ rí. Mi tí bá tẹ̀ máa fèèyàn kan ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ láàárín èmi àtàwọn tèmi. But for you to come on social media and make a public shame of yourself.